What's up, y'all? It's been a minute. Check out what I got.
I was built to last with the webs I'm weaving. I could change the past with all I'm achieving. Got my foot on the gas, never stop competing. If you break like glass, then this life's gonna end.
Well, this here is what I've been told is a 2001 KTM SX50. Let's go ahead and decode that VIN number and figure out what this really is. You have the VBK, which is the manufacturer. MRA is what model it is, which this one on their chart comes out to an SXR, which is a Supercross Racer, I guess is what that stands for with what I've looked up. It's basically an SX, but it's an older model SX. Moving on to the 10th letter or number, we have a number 1, which comes out to be 2001, like he said. So it's everything that he told me it was. First thing I'm noticing is intake wasn't hooked up. That was full of snow. He basically, I think he dragged this thing through the snow. I don't know what's going on. And other thing that I noticed right off the rip, rear tires dry rotted, but it's got some good knobs on it though. The rear tire's dry rotted, but it's got good knobs. But that's another thing that I noticed right off the rip. And the front end's kind of springy. I don't know if that's just because I'm way too heavy for it, but the rear end rebounds real nice, so I don't know. I tried to fire it up and it wouldn't fire up. Front end, I don't know. It's okay, I think, but the rear is. I don't know. Maybe the rear is supposed to rebound faster. But the other thing is, you don't run. Also, I need to. So we're going to pull the carburetor. We're going to check for spark. And if I got to, we'll have to do a compression test or something. I'm also going to check the fuel valve too. That could be gummed up. Kind of looks like it's facing the wrong way too. Oh, can we get it running today? Let's see. For the most part, the fuel looks fresh. There's a mess in there. I don't see why the fuel valve would be gummed up. Well, for starters, that's ice. So this thing was not going to start while I was at the dude's house at all. No chance. How'd snow get in there if it was sitting in a shed? Yummy! Yummy, yummy. More ice. Sick. Looks good. It's soaking wet from water. So that's not gonna help us. Not wet in there anymore. All right, we've got good spark. Clean. Stuff is a little wet. And the reeds a little bit wet. Dry them off a little bit, clean them up.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad. I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm bad.
So I got the carburetor off. Honestly, it don't look that bad. The worst of it might be the bowl. So I'm just gonna make sure that the passageways are clean and throw it back in there. If it runs good, then that's done. If it doesn't, then I'll have to go deeper into cleaning it, but it does look good.
I just wanna stay bad, stay mad, chip on my shoulder cause they treat me like an outcast. I ain't gonna take that, stay back, I'll be swinging hard till the hits come in all caps. I ain't gonna lay back, pray that someone's gonna help me, ain't nobody like that. I ain't gonna wait, that's all fact, give me one shot and I'll never get the throne back. I'm sick of being cautious, I'ma go cause some pain, can't stop this. I'ma steal everybody's lane, call it shoplift. Sick of hearing everyone complain when they thoughtless. Taste the pain, it's like candy canes. It makes me go change into a better frame, into a better name. Society's insane, we all live for fame, yeah. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, do it no cap. Only got one, so you better go live it up. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Baby, I'm bad, baby, I'm bad. I got cash in the bag, stadium packed.
Also, I want to check the gear case oil before I fire it up. This is just your basic level and fill. Oh yeah. There's some in there. It does not look great though. Spark checked. Carburetor looks good. Fuel works. I just checked the valve before I put the tank back on. There's a little bit of fuel in there. Let's see if she fires up. I need that close by. So I did just pull the plug again. It was covered in water, so I fouled the plug. I wonder if there was a little bit still in here, and when I got it to fire, water got on the plug and fouled it. I'm giving it another shot. After countless kicks and some runaway revs, I had a feeling the issue was deeper. With how hard it was starting and the high revs when it would start, it had me thinking there's an air leak somewhere. So I packed it up for the night, did some research, and found a parts diagram on Rocky Mountain ATV that I was missing a rubber plug for the carburetor, thus causing a massive air leak that I had overlooked. I'm looking over here at Rocky Mountain ATV, and we're missing the rubber plug. We have this reduction ring, but we don't have that rubber plug. Too much air going by that. Ain't gonna work. So I then put in the order, confident it would solve my problem. So the part is beveled. So this end's gonna sit in the carburetor. This end's gonna sit towards the reeds. So basically if we're looking at the bike, it's gonna go in there like that. That's gonna sit right on that little clamp. Sitting pretty in there. Now we just gotta get it onto this Make a good seal.
Carburetor sitting on there, nice and flush and pretty. Carbulating. Squirting the fuels, retracting, doing what it needs to do.
Let it warm up a bit. We got her fired up. She was just missing that rubber plug. Runs good. We need to fine tune it when it warms up a tiny bit next week. Get it all dialed in, strip it down. We're not going to do a full resto on it. We're not going to do a full build on it. I'm just going to replace the broken pieces like the top engine mount. Find another throttle that has a throttle lock, because this is going to somebody that he's ridden stuff before, but he's not really ridden stuff before. But I think this is a good starting platform for him. Service the chain, service the brakes, service all the bushings, service the front shock, service the rear shock maybe. I think the rear shock seems fine. The front shock seems springy. Got to take care of that. Fix the motor mount, because the top motor mount's broken, so the motor wiggles a little bit. Retorque everything down. New rear tire. Check the bearings, check the axles, make sure those are good. Just clean this thing up. If you want to see the next step on this bike where I do all that stuff, like, comment, subscribe. And I'll catch you on the next video when I'm tearing this thing down and bringing it back up to its full potential. Thanks.